Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool business model right here, and basically what this is a tablecloth. So you can basically just put this onto like any kind of table. As long as you guys get the correct size, then you should be fine. So the one that we got right here is from the brand called RYB Home, and they have a lot of different size and a lot of different color. The one that we got right here is a green color right here. That's kind of like a dark green color, which is pretty cool. And for this tablecloth, it fits like any kind of table that's like a rectangle shape. So if you guys have like a square shaped table, that's probably not ideal to use this, but you definitely can as well. And some other cool facts about this product is the fact that they mentioned how it's spill proof, waterproof, and it's also wrinkle free, so you don't have to worry about the product wrinkling over time. And they also mentioned how the product is scratch resistant and stain resistant as well. So you don't have to worry about the product getting scratches or stains, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open it up. Alright, so you see the cloth is quite big, if you guys can see. So you can definitely put this onto like a rectangle table if you guys want to. When you guys feel the texture on here, it definitely feels really, really nice. You can definitely feel like that scratch resistant or stain resistant material. And for this product, if you guys want to, you can definitely throw into like a machine to wash it if you guys want to. And I do highly recommend that you guys do wash it if it's your first time using the product. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually throw this into the washer and wash it, and then we'll set it up to show you guys what that actually looks like once you guys fully set it up. So let's do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing the tablecloth right here. Let's put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you put it on the tablecloth, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And obviously some wrinkles on top, but that's totally fine. Alright, so you can see that we have our set right here for our table with a tablecloth. You can see it looks really, really nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Once you guys finish washing the product, you can set it up on a table. If you guys can see, it definitely looks pretty cool. So for this tablecloth, they never mention anything about heat resistant or whatever. So if you guys do put like hot stuff on here, I think it should be fine, but just don't like light the actual tablecloth on fire. If you guys put hot stuff on there, it should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a very nice tablecloth to use for your table. And especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned in terms of the scratch resistant, the stain resistant, and also the fact how wrinkle free. If you guys want all of that on a tablecloth, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.